And recording. Time for another video. Camera's sitting on a gimbal. I'm going to turn it on and see how level it gets. That is not really that level. Oh no. Okay, camera's kind of at an angle. That is really weird. Go up a little bit. That's so weird. Okay. Not gonna fuck with the gimbal. So, this is an update video. I'm at work. It is currently 11:11 at night. What are the odds? No fucking idea. I can't find my microphone for my camera, so if this audio is shitty, I apologize. I'm trying to watch the little marks there. Try not to get it like way too high. Didn't even go that high. Okay. So, an update. Since I last made a video, I have obtained a 1989 Honda Accord, automatic. Actually runs and drives great. Brakes are squishy. I fucking hate it though. I'm not driving it. It's just sitting at the shop. Justice's car is still at the shop. Got the starter back in and ran out of time. Tomorrow I'm making a video, or at least recording a video, where we put new injectors in, and hopefully that solves the issue where it, runs like a fucking tractor. I got a 1991 NA Miata. Sorry, spacing a little bit. I had that for about 2 weeks, and then I traded that for a car that I will show you in the next video, because it's a very big, important car to me. That's why I literally bought that Miata to trade for a different car. I still have the, I think it's an 86 or an 85 Volvo 240 wagon. That's still sitting. I still have the 92 NA that I used to daily drive, sitting in my grandma's house. Hopefully I can get those to the shop in the upcoming months, because everyone's complaining about it because they're on the side of the house and they look ugly and all that stuff. So I'll get those there soon. A few months, the NB Miata that I was in an accident with, since I was in an accident with it, obviously it was my only car that I was driving, that I had to drive, so I, had some financial struggles because I didn't have a car anymore. Thanks to my girlfriend letting me borrow her car for a while, and then she went on a month-long vacation. Just the timing was it couldn't have been more perfect. So got another job, and it was part-time and 3 days a week, and in between that I would be at the shop every day, essentially stripping out the NB so that I could sell parts and get more money. And that's essentially what this video is. It's just me stripping out the NB. Very sketchy way to have it actually lifted up off the ground. Of course you'll see in the video. I got some decent money for the engine, the diff, the drive shaft, axles, power radio antenna. I didn't know people really wanted those. But yeah, I kept a lot of the very important parts. What do I have left? I have the shell and the dashboard and the interior left. That's about it. And the trunk lid. I still have the trunk lid. But yeah, I'll give you guys a better update in the next video. Sorry I ramble. Sorry I'm so shitty at putting out these videos. I work 6 days a week. I mean, fuck, it's almost midnight, and I'm here at work, and it's a Saturday. So some days I have off, and I'll be at the shop. Yeah, just wanted to kind of update you guys. Oh, I got a 1971 Volkswagen Vanagon rolling shell. I got it for free off Craigslist. They towed it to my shop for free. I wanted to restore it and sell it, because when those things are restored, they're worth a good amount of money, right? And it was just too big of a project for me and my bank at the time. So it sat in front of my shop for, I don't know, 3 months or so, 4 months. And I got a call maybe 2 weeks ago. It was probably about 2 weeks ago, actually. And the owner of the shop next to my shop says, hey, there's a lady here that wants to buy the van. Or she wanted to buy the wiring harness off the van. She asked if it had parts left, and I'm like, I honestly don't even know. I just took a few things out of the inside of the car. Like, the thing was filled with junk. Still was when they took it away. I say a lot. God damn it. So I jokingly said to my shop neighbor, she can have the whole damn thing for $100, and she took it for $100. I just showed up at my shop one day. He had a $100 bill for me, and the van was gone. Thank God. Now I have an extra parking space, another extra parking space, and $100 goes in my pocket. Free Starbucks. Yeah. I really don't have any more updates, but I will be making more videos. I'm in a much better place now, both financially, mentally, and time management wise, which is great. Like, it's midnight, I'm at work still, and I'm not like being suffocated by my work life. It's actually really refreshing and nice, and I work with people that aren't, you know, I work with people that aren't actually, you know, fucking assholes, because there's a lot of people that are fucking assholes. I really hope I didn't just waste, almost 8 minutes talking to a microphone that's not going to pick up my voice properly. Yeah, big updates coming soon. Thank you guys for sticking around, to the around 80 of you that have. I really appreciate it. I want to make more videos, want to do more stuff, so this is your update, and I'm going to get to throwing this edit together, and hopefully it doesn't look like shit. Peace out, drive safe, blah blah blah, blah blah blah.